Volkswagens are everywhere. They always have been since 1950. Nostalgia for me, really, it's the sound of the Beetle door, the very distinctive sound of it opening and closing. The horsehair padding in the seats, that has a very distinctive smell. And the sound of the engine, that air-cooled engine. The Volkswagen Beetle is so important for the history of Irish motoring. Ireland was the first country outside of Germany to assemble the Beetle, and it was assembled in Ballsbridge. In 1950, you were very limited with what you could have. The Volkswagen came in at a time when Ireland was economically struggling, and the car came in at really good value, sub £500. You had heating in the car, which was really important. It had enamel paint, it had washable seats. For the first time ever, the motorists could now do 100,000 miles without having to have their engine rebuilt. It was revolutionary, and the reputation grew from that point. The rich history of the Beetle here in Ireland has led me to gather a collection of short stories, and eventually the plan is to develop that into a book. When Volkswagen was introduced into Ireland, it was groundbreaking. It was ahead of its time. It was like nothing anyone had ever seen before. Volkswagen have continued to evolve and develop over the 75 years, and we now have the ID range, the fully electric range, which again is groundbreaking and futuristic, as the Beetle was back in the day. For me as an enthusiast, I think it's great Volkswagen Ireland have brought the original Beetle back to Ireland for the 75th anniversary. That car has shaped my life. That's a historical car. So it's important that that car is here and people can get to see it, both enthusiasts and non-enthusiasts.
Volkswagen.